Ikaw ba ay isang SSS member ngunit wala ka pang SSS account online? So papaano ba tayo mag-register ng ating SSS account online? Well, ngayong araw, pag-uusapan po natin at i-share ko po sa inyo kung papaano ba tayo mag-register ng ating SSS account online step by step. Alright? Kaya tutok lang dahil dito lang yan sa Your Daily How. Social Security System o mas kilala bilang SSS. So ano ba ang Social Security System? Ito ay isang state-run social insurance program dito sa Pilipinas para sa mga workers or trabahante in the private, professional, and informal sectors. So ano ba ang My.SSS? Ito ay isang online service portal ng Philippine Social Security System. Gumawa sila ng isang online portal para mas mapadali pa ang pagproproseso ng mga transactions gaya ng pagbabayad ng iyong insurance, paglo-loan at iba pa. So, ano-ano ba ang ating maaaring gawin sa kanilang online service portal na My.SSS? Kung ikaw ay isang registered SSS member, maaari mong ma-check or ma-access ang iyong social security records online safely and conveniently. Maaari ka ring mag-apply ng iyong loan online na hindi na kinakailangang pumunta sa kanilang opisina. Maaari mong malaman ang status ng iyong loan at kung magkano ang iyong babayaran every month. Maaari ka ring magbayad ng iyong loan online or ng iyong insurance kung ikaw ay isang voluntary member ng SSS, gaya ng mga freelancers. There are also other benefits that you can benefit in using My.SSS online. So what are these other benefits? Number one, you can view, download, and print your SSS membership records, as what I have mentioned earlier. You can also check your SSS contributions online, file SSS salary loan and maternity application online, view details on your SSS benefit claims, and schedule appointment with an SSS branch. So, who can register to My.SSS? Actually, all members. Maging voluntary member ka man o hindi, ini-encourage ng SSS na mag-register tayong lahat sa kanilang service portal. So, ito ang mga list ng mga maaaring mag-register to My.SSS, My.SSS, alright? So, if you are employed, if you are self-employed or voluntary members, if you are an OFW, if you are an employed spouse with at least 1 month post of contribution, if you are kasambahay or household employee, and if you are an employer. How to register to My.SSS online? Before we continue, before I walk you through on how to register to My.SSS online, please take note that we will be using Internet Explorer 11. This is the most compatible web browser to My.SSS, alright? But you can also use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. But as what I've mentioned, Internet Explorer 11 is the most compatible. Alright, so after you have opened your Internet Explorer, the first thing that we will gonna do is to go to the SSS website. All you have to do is to type in here www.sss.gov.ph. Alright, and now you will be prompted to their page, and as you can see here, right here, on their page, you will see the options member registration, employer registration, household registration. Alright, so if you are a member, if you are already a member of SSS, then you can click this section. If you're an employer, just click this one, and if you're a household employee, then you can just click this part. The other way of registering your account to My.SSS is to go to this part. You can hover this part and you will see registration. Then you will also find here these options: member registration, employer registration, and so on. Alright, so For example, we don't have an account in My.SSS yet, but we are already a member. So we will click member registration. Okay. All right. And as you can see, you will be prompted to these options. Please select one information as reported to SSS to register. All right. So these are the options: savings account number, Citibank cash card, UBP quick card, UMID ATM savings account. You can also have a choice to click mobile number registered in SSS, UMID card, employer ID number, household employer ID number, payment reference number, payment receipt, transaction number. All right. So right now, as a guide, I will just choose UMID card, okay, because I have already a UMID card. So just click this part. All right, and it's waiting. Right, so you will be prompted to this page wherein you will have to fill out this registration form. As you can see, you will have to put in your SS number, email address, your preferred user ID, your last name, given name. By the way, if your last name and your given name exceeds the character limit, you can just use the format of your name on your SSID or UMID card. If you don't have your ID card yet, you may contact SSS through its hotline number 920-6446. Alright, let's go to middle name. You can actually leave the middle name field blank if you don't have a middle name, as it is not really a required information. For the date of birth, to input your date of birth, please use the drop-down calendar, as you can see in the screen, to prevent an error in your SSS Online registration. Alright? And then you can continue filling out this information, your mailing address, your home address, and so on. Let's go down. Here you can see a CAPTCHA. Alright, so enter the CAPTCHA code at the bottom of the page and then click the small box next to I accept the terms of service. Here, as you can see here, you can click check. Alright, so after you have finished filling out this registration form, you can go ahead and proceed uh, clicking submit button. Alright. So after you have successfully submitted your registration form online, a verification link will be sent to your email address, such as like this, as you can see in the screen. Let me enlarge this one. By the way, this is just a print screen, okay? An example. Here, check your email address. Confirmation link was sent to your email address. All right. Let's go to the next picture. All right. So let's go to your email. You have to go to your email and you will see here an email from SSS website for a validation. So here, what you can see in this email is that a link. It says, please click the link below to proceed with your registration. So you have to click this link and then you will be prompted to open another page and continue your registration. All right. Let me go to the next picture. All right, here. So you will have to continue filling out the SSS online registration form. Let me enlarge this picture. All right. And again, this is just an example, okay? You can see here names that I didn't blur because they are not real names. These are just examples. Okay. All right. So again, you will continue filling out the SSS online registration form. And this page will ask for your additional information such as contact number, uh, preferred user ID, password, employment status, receipt number from the S5 SSS registration form, or an employer ID number. All right. So let's go to the other picture. All right. Social status, and then beneficiaries, and that's it. Password reminders. Please take note of these reminders when you create your password in My.SSS. Number one, it must be at least 8 alphanumeric characters. Number two, with at least one numeric character. Number three, no special characters. And lastly, number four, must be different from your user ID. All right. So after you have submitted the form, you will be taken to a page that says your registration has been submitted, and you will be informed once the validation is done. The validation may take 24 hours to a few days. So once the verification is complete, SSS will send you an email stating that your registration was successful. The email will also come with your dedicated user ID and password, which you will use when you log in to My.SSS online portal. So that's all for our video tutorial today on how to register your SSS account online. I hope you find it helpful. I thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please subscribe also to my second YouTube channel, Regio Pearl Peter Corta. I will put the link in the description below, or you can click this small eye icon. So again, thank you so much. Have a good day. See you in my next vlog. Peace out.